You guys, it's 2023. Happy New Year. May this year bring all of us joy, happiness, and all the good things that we're looking for. Seeing this face for the first time, my name is Ogo. We're here to get the details of this hair. So let me not waste any more time and get right into the video. So this is the Toyotress Faux Locs in the color 1B, and the length is 22 inches for this particular one. So you can get this in a variety of lengths as well as colors. So check them out, you guys. I had to do single locks, like individuals, but then I figured out that it would take me too long. So I already braided my individuals, and what I did was just connect them into 4 braids. So I started with the individual strands and connected them, like just braided everything all together. So that actually gave me a great idea to where I could install the locks, and I didn't have to install too much, like if I was doing traditional, and there were no gaps, if that makes sense. Because you know, traditionals, you have that straight cornrow. I didn't have the straight cornrow. I still had individual sort of braids here and there. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to continue to support your girl, to help me grow on YouTube. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.